Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about monetization here on Twitter. It's one of the most important things people used to subscribe to for because they want to get paid on Twitter. But how do you get paid? So me, I've not hit the monetization because I just started the X premium of a thing, basically because of this course. But let's see how it goes. Maybe I will try to renew. I will always update this course, of course. Aside from what you are learning right now, you could always get more updates. But right now, this is monetization, so I'll come to my monetization and let's see what monetization is all about. So in monetization, you can monetize your Twitter accounts in different ways. You can use subscription, you can use creator revenue sharing, which this is from people. So let's check it out actually. So subscription is where people will subscribe to you and your content. So I'm not eligible for this. So what are the criteria for this actually? So you could see any living on X by letting anyone subscribe to you for monthly content. So let's check the subscription. So I'm not eligible. Why? Because these are the criteria to get to being subscribed to. So you get verified by subscribing to premium, which I've done. So I need 2,000 verified followers. So I don't have up to 2,000 verified followers. So people that are following me, I should have up to 2,000 verified followers. That's what it means. And it's going to have 5 million organic impression in the past 3 months. I don't have these two. Those are the two missing. So I need 2,000 verified followers to start having people that will be subscribed to my content. Then I need 5 million organic impression. You see what I was telling you about impression? Very, very important. So when I have these two, I could always check back. You should be active in the past 30 days, be at least 18 years old. So that's how to that's how to meet the requirements for subscription for people to subscribe to my content. But creator revenue sharing from Twitter, I'm not eligible as well. Why? Right now I have to verify to premium. That is checked. Have at least 5 million impression on your post within the last 3 months. Okay, let me check the subscription. I think subscription, okay, it's still 3 months. 5 million organic impression in the last 3 months is very, very important. So you need 5 million impression on your post within the last 3 months, and I should have at least 500 premium followers. So this is lesser. So once I can get these 500 premium followers in my analytics, you see if I add 5 million impression or I have 5 million premium followers. So these are things you could check from your analytics, which we're going to talk about. But so far, that's how to get into the monetization program as of now. That is what is needed. So you have to hit those metrics before you could actually become a paid creator or you being subscribed to on X. So without further ado, we're going to go to the next lesson where we're going to talk about analytics and see what we've achieved so far and how we can relate it to the monetization program. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.